Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Netflix, verify your account, and start watching step by step clearly. Open Netflix on your TV, phone, tablet, computer, or streaming device. Check that if Netflix is not installed, download it from your device's official app store. Launch the Netflix app and wait for the sign-in screen to appear. Select Sign In to begin the activation process. Enter the email address and password for your Netflix account. If you forgot your password, choose Forgot Password and follow the reset instructions. After signing in, watch for an activation code on the screen if your device requests it. On a phone or computer, open a web browser like Chrome, Safari, or Edge. Type netflix.com/activate in the address bar and press Enter. Sign in again on the website if Netflix asks you to confirm your account. Carefully enter the activation code exactly as shown on your TV or device. Click or tap Activate to link the device to your Netflix account. Return to your TV or device and wait a few seconds for it to refresh automatically. If it does not refresh, select Try Again or restart the Netflix app once. Choose the profile you want to use, or create a new profile if needed. If you see a plan or payment screen, confirm your subscription is active and your payment method is valid. Go to Account Settings if you need to update your card or billing information. If Netflix asks to verify your email, open your email inbox on any device. Find the Netflix verification email and open it. Click Verify Email Address, then return to the Netflix app. If you did not receive the email, check spam or junk and request a new verification email. Confirm the date and time on your device are correct, because incorrect settings can cause sign-in errors. If you see an error code, select More Info and follow the on-screen troubleshooting steps. For persistent issues, sign out of Netflix, restart the device, and sign in again. Make sure your device software and the Netflix app are updated to the latest version. Once everything is verified, browse categories or use search to find a title. Select a movie or show. Press play and adjust subtitles or audio from the playback menu if needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.